Before you can be able to get the value of x and y here, I want you to note this. Now, this line here, because this line will not meet each other if they keep on going, we call it parallel line, and we can represent them with this. But in a question, if they are more than two different types of parallel line, maybe there is a one that will go here, and the one will go here, and the one will go here. Notice that these two and these two are also parallel. So instead of using a single arrow, I'm now going to use a double arrow to show that it is these two that are parallel. You get? And this one now, if another angle here, means that these two, you can see that they are parallel. And I can also use another 3 arrow to represent that it is these two here that is the parallel lines. All right. Now, here is the question. We are looking for y and z. According to what I just told you, you can see that this is an arrow and this is an arrow. We show that these two lines, they are parallel. They keep on moving straight. So what we are going to do is that we are going to help them, since they cannot complete the line for us, we're going to help them to complete this line, to also make it to keep on going as it's supposed to be going. We could also extend this one as it's supposed to be going. Now, in this case, what do we have? We also know that this one and this one here, see the arrow are the same. They are also parallel. And there are how many lines here? 1, 2, and 3. Look at it. They have the same arrow. So it means that these 3 lines are parallel. So they keep on going like this. So, and they did not complete it. Let us also help them and complete it. Maybe their marker finished or their laptop finished. They can't complete. So we have helped them to complete it. Now look at what is happening. What is now happening is that this line here becomes a transversal. Since this is a parallel line and this is a parallel line, the line that crosses it is a transversal. And this transversal does not just end here. It keeps on going in this form, like this. And because we have seen what is happening, it means that this line here is also parallel with these two lines here. So we can help them also to add the arrow for them there, since they want to confuse us. Now with this, we can get our value. You understand? So what do we know? We have this angle over here. If I have this angle over here, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for S. How can I use this angle and get S and then get Y? Now look at what is going to happen. This angle here is alternating to this angle. Because these two lines are parallel, this is a transversal, this angle will alternate to this angle and it's going to be equal. So remember that in this question, they put the angle outside the question, but this angle belongs to this open space here. So this is 36, here will be what? 36. You understand? Now, how will I use 36 now and get to this angle? Now, if you look closely, look at this line that goes this way, and look at this line, and look at this line. This one, you see this side here, and that is where this angle is. It is where this side also is same with this side, and also we could have angle here. Now, because you can see this thing in this form and in this form, it means that this angle are corresponding angle. This one is alternating since it is this way. This one is corresponding because they are found on the same place in the other part of the what? Parallel line. So this angle must be equal to this angle. And that is why I must get this angle using this 36. How can I get 36? Also consider this line being a straight line, 180. 180 minus from 36. Using 80 minus 30 remaining what? 50. Minus 6 from 50 is going to give us what? 44. Now 44 plus 100 is going to give us 144, which is 144. Now 144 will correspond to this angle, like I told you. So S now is going to be what? 144. Now, can you now tell me how I'm going to get Y? I'm still looking for Y. Also notice that this angle here alternates to this angle. Look at it. This angle alternates to this angle, just like this one alternates like this. So when you have a parallel line, a transversal, this angle alternates to this angle. All right? And this angle here corresponds to this angle. They are going to be equal. So this angle alternating to this angle means that this angle here is 144. Now remember that I'm not looking for this angle, I'm looking for Y. So how am I going to get Y? I'm going to get Y because if I should consider this also being a parallel lines and this is a transversal, This angle alternates to this angle, and they're going to be what? Equal. And because of that, I'm going to say this is a straight line. All this angle is 180. And this side only is 144. Now, 144 minus from 180 or 180 minus from what? 144 is still going to give us this same thing here, which is what? 96. Now, if this angle is alternating to this angle, let me know in the comment section what is the value of y. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're first time. Now, if you have not joined my WhatsApp online class where I tutor mathematics, WhatsApp me on 08153957022. It is free. You're in that country, consider adding +234. That is my WhatsApp line to join the mathematics online class. If you have a question, let me know in the comment section. Let me know the value of y. The answer is your leg. Bye bye.